Hi, good morning everyone. This is Filipino Desert Gardener. This morning I am going to harvest watermelon. My son Christopher told their friends how great my watermelon is, so they asked if they could buy some from me. So this morning I am going to harvest one. I already harvested one yesterday for the other person. Actually, two people, two of their friends or two people that they know wanted to try my delicious organic watermelon. So let's go harvest the watermelon. There it is. Let's see if I can carry this by myself. It's too big. I might not be able to carry it. I think I need help. See, you can tell that it's ready is these leaves are dying, and the opposite, this one called curlicue, when that's brown, that means the watermelon is ready. So I need both hands, so I'll see you in a minute. I'm gonna carry it and weigh it and see how heavy it is. All right, we'll see you in a minute. See you in a minute.
Almost 25-pound watermelon, nice. Wash it like a baby in the sink. Barely fits, huh?
Hey.